Acéptaselo.
You gonna smack me, bitch?
Oh! Are you serious? Bo!
Oh.
Is he gonna deliver sweet? Oh! Parkour! Is he gonna deliver sweet? Oh!
Demonte Isaiah. Demonte, what did you got my baby in a headlock?
Oh, what is that? Is that it? Oh my God.
Wow. You probably need to go take a bath. No, you did not. No, I know you did. Oh, no, you didn't open up a can of worms. I watched. Whoa, wait, can't believe you put your balls on me. Boy, you in trouble. You in so much trouble. Wait till I start running up a whoop you. You said, I can't believe you put your balls on me. I can't believe.
What are you doing?